Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the ACG MOC 3.0. Before we get into the unboxing, guys, just want to remind you guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. Let's get into it. So we have the Nike, oh there it is, the Nike ACG MOC 3.0. And for those that don't know, ACG is Nike's like all conditions gear built for trail hiking and any outdoor activities. So we've got the MOCs, and we've got this in the cargo khaki oil green black colorway in a US 8.5, a UK 7.5, and a European 42. And before I get into the unboxing, I just want to mention that I love the box that this ACG comes in. It's really unique. You've got a little ACG hit there, and I like this like combo of black and like really light brown. It reminds me of old Nike boxes. And there we go. I don't know about you, but this screams a house slipper for me. Yeah, let's start with the outsole. So the outsole it's all rubber, but you've got like more traction at the heel, and the toe it's more stickier. I think that's where you're gonna get more grip when you're walking. I think that's what Nike intended. The whole sole unit actually is Nike, I want to get this right, Nike Solar Soft. So it's relatively new. You'll find that in the Stussy Spiridons, I believe that they've got it in. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I know that you can find it in some of the SB skate shoes as well. If we go along the upper, it's all this synthetic, all this quilted like material. It reminds me of like a barber jacket you can find when you're out in the country. If that's you wear your barber jackets. But no, that's what this reminds me of. It's all textile materials, and it's relatively soft. I mean, I know ACG was built for hikes and camping or whatever, but I think this is like a camp shoe where just after you've done your hike, you want to kick back and relax. I think this is the kind of shoe that you'll be wearing. Or if you're going for like a short walk outdoors, this will hit the spot. And obviously with it being this khaki green, you're in the camo in it. Moving on, so we've got at the heel counter, we have the really nice ACG logo at the back here with pull tab there, and around the tongue, it's not really a tongue because it's a whole one unit. You have the ACG logo on it and this pull tab. And let's mention the you got a really wide point of entry to slip your feet in. Obviously this is what it is for. You're looking for that comfort, just easy access, nice, and obviously you can stretch it out as well if you find it a bit difficult. The whole insole, the inside of the shoe, sorry, it's a soft foam sock liner, and it just gives you that nice comfort. It hugs your foot. Not much more else I can say. This does remind me of a footscape woven because of this medial side. I think that's where it draws its inspiration from. We've done a review of a footscape woven a long time ago, so if you want to check that out, you can check that out. And honestly, I can just see myself, like, if I'm at a campsite, at a festival maybe, like, I might be wearing these. Unfortunately, there's no festivals going on 2020, but I'll probably wear this outside in my garden. But just one thing to mention as well, so it does separate this around the mud guard at the toe box area is a more like, it feels like ripstop nylon, whereas this is like quilted materials. Obviously this is all textiles, but I just want to mention that there is differences. As I mentioned, I can't wait to wear these in my garden, so here we go, let's try it on. first thing to mention, guys, is I recommend that you go half a size down. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know if you can see, but I don't think wearing ankle socks are the best choice for this. I've got a lot of space there. Maybe it's because I've got skinny feet. Also, another thing to mention is that this is quite flimsy. Like, I feel like it's not giving me a lot of support. I mean, I can feel it hugging like the bits that are attached to my feet, if you know what I mean? Because obviously I've still got spaces there. I wouldn't personally recommend like walking in these. This is more of a kickback, relax. I mean, I understand like you can feel that there is more grip. Well, Nike hopes it was intended for hikes, but this is more indoor use. Like if you are having a little pop to the shops, it's a nice walk shoe as well. Very reminiscent of a Roshu Run, but I'm not sold, I'm not gonna lie. With that all said, we'll give you a little 360 of what the rest of the shoes look like and wrap it up from there. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end at Instagram. Till next time, peace.